Hey, good morning, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Wednesday, July 2nd. Doing a video a little early today. We had Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen making a speech in front of some Fed governors. It wasn't a board, but it was, I don't know, like more of a conference. Tomorrow, obviously, everyone knows non-farm payroll. Earlier this morning, we got ADP jobs report, which looks good. But you know, we had to really trade around her comments. We wanted to be out of everything prior to her opening her mouth, so we had to be quite careful because you never know what she's going to say. And she's obviously was talking about. She actually reverted all the way back to the beginning of the financial crisis on the housing market and said that the Federal Reserve at that time, Greenspan and Bernanke and whoever else was involved, they didn't see the housing bubble. So it almost sounds a little bit to us like she's playing the blame game, unfortunately. And then she's saying that the Fed needs to basically regulate interest rates to control the economic growth and also the inflation. And for the first time, she actually sounded like she was hinting towards a financial bubble. I know that made stock sell off temporarily, but like I said, we were going to just be in cash regardless because again, you don't know what she's going to say. So prior to that, we did have 4 trades, finished down 9.7 pips, unfortunately, on those 4. We'll go over them in no particular order. You got what you're looking at here is euro to Canadian dollar. We were long this 1.46137, and we got hit on this 27 pips. Looking back, we probably should have got out when it took out these lows. Could have saved ourselves about 13 pips or so. Would have been a little bit better of a trade, if we had done that. But as you see here, we lost to 27, and good thing we got out. We always set a stop, and we stick to them. We either stick to the stop or we lose less than the stop that we have in place. And if you didn't have your stop in place, you're going to get smoked on the trade. Next was the euro to Australian dollar. This was a layup of a trade. We got a signal to go long 1.44225. This was right ahead of a report from Australia, medium level priority. I think it was imports, exports. Great, just popped right for us. Again, we had our stop set, but popped right for us, picked up 20.1 pips. Maybe we got out a little early. I mean, you can see in this chart, there's a consolidation area, so it's pretty much why we got out, why we were looking to get out on a big pop. And it blasted right through it and kept running, so we left over 20 pips on the table. We picked up about half that move, which is totally acceptable. You pick up half of a big move like that, you got to be happy. And then the last trade, there we had 2 in euro yen. This we really didn't do too much in. We were long this 138.659, picked up 2.7 pips. This chart makes it look a lot easier. It was struggling here. So that's why we got out. We took the small profit. You have this consolidation range as well. And then we watched it pop, and it looked like it was consolidating and maybe trying to reverse back down, maybe pick up 5, 6, 8 pips, something like that, just a quick trade. And unfortunately, we set our stop to lose, around 6 pips or so. And again, this chart makes it look like it just ripped up, but if you're looking at a shorter term chart, you'll see a consolidation area here. There were some tops, and it was clear if it broke the tops to take the loss, and that's exactly what we did. So we lost 5.5 there. So in all, we lost 9.7. Not terrible, not great. That first trade is our mistake, the euro Canadian. We should have had a tighter stop on that when you look at the chart. So that's it. We'll move on until tomorrow. Tomorrow's non-farm payrolls, very important, the biggest number of every month. So we'll see what that gives us. If you're still trading now, good luck. Any signals comes out, they'll be coming your way, and have a great rest of your day.